Hello everyone, Greninja Frubbles here, and today I'll be opening a special booster pack. It comes with three cards and a booster pack. It's Litwick, 50 HP, Lampent with 70 HP, and a special Holo Chandelure with 130 HP. And of course a Mega Gengar coin. And it's the back, Pokemon Company. So let's get cracking into it. Getting my scissors. Okay. It is a breakthrough pack. So let's put it right here. And here are the special cards. We got a little plastic case to hold them all in. Okay. Here are they. First, it's going to be a Litwick, then a Lampent, and then there's also Holo Chandelure, which we will put in the back. Okay. And let's put these to the side. There's Mega Gengar coin, which is really awesome. And I'll put that right here. There we go. Let's put this all trash. Okay. Sorry about the camera changes. I just have to get it straight for the booster pack opening. Okay. Okay. Now I lowered the camera so you can see me open the booster pack. Okay. Let's hope we can get something good out of this booster pack. Here's the code, and there's 3 cards from the back. Yeah, just to say, sorry about the camera changes. I just had to get it lower for the booster pack opening. Fablebe, Swablu, Reverse Chestnut, dang! Oh my freaking god! No flipping way! Oh my god, guys. Oh my freaking god. Guys, we pulled a full art Bridget. Oh my gosh. Holy flippin' froze. Look at that shine. It is full art. Oh crap. The texture feels so good. Oh my gosh. That just looks so good. Ah, man. Okay. Oh, wow. That part was just so good. Let's get a recap. First, we pulled this epic Holo Chandelure, which I was fine if I was not going to get anything in the booster box booster pack, because it's still a really cool Chandelure Holo. But then, out of that one booster pack, we got a full art Bridget. Look at that. Dang, it is 161 out of 162. It's nearly secret rare. Well, not nearly secret rare, but it's close to secret rare. Out of all the things we could pull, I thought I was going to get like a regular rare. Wow. That is just so cool. Dang. Okay. Well, thank you all for watching, and I hope you'll like and subscribe. Greninja out.